Children, it is a continuation of the solution of the model question paper 4, which is given by the Dayat Hassan. And also it is told that it is a second English medium model question paper given by the Dayat Hassan. Now let us take the 3 marks question, the 25th question. Here what is that question? Prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. So it is a statement of the theorem. We have to prove this theorem. What is the statement of the theorem? The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. This theorem is already proved in the board model question paper second model question paper given by the Karnataka Secondary Examination Board, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. And also it is proved this theorem in the chapter circle. So you go through the video lessons of the chapter circle or go through the second model question paper solution. View the video lesson of the circle chapter or view the video of the solution of the second model question paper given by the board. Now let us go to the 26th question. Question number 26. The question is, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. It is a choice question. One more question is there. Solve any one of these two questions. So what is that second question? Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation k x into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0 have equal roots. No necessity of solving both the question. Solve any one of the question which is easy for you. Now let us solve both the question. First question you take, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So here the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Here it is given that the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So let us take, let larger number equals x, smaller number is y. So here it is given that difference of squares of two numbers is 180, means x square minus y square equals 180, and also it is given that square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So here what is the relation between the x and y? Square of the smaller number. So here which is the smaller number we have taken? Y. So the square of the smaller number means y square. Y square is 8 times the larger number. So the larger number is taken x here, that is 8x. So the relation between x and y means larger number and smaller number, you got that. Square of a smaller number equals 8 times the larger number. So you consider this is the first relation. And one more relation is given, the difference of squares of two numbers. So the difference of squares of two numbers means x square minus y square equals 180 degree. Difference of squares of two numbers is 180 degree, means x square minus y square equals 180 degree. Write x square only, minus y square means 8x. So you write from first 8x equals 180, that is from first. You have taken from first. Now here you transfer this 180 to the LHS, then it becomes x square minus 8x minus 180 equals 0. Now you got a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. you must solve the quadratic equation to find the value of x. You know that you can use the quadratic formula or by factorization to find the roots of the quadratic equation. X square minus 8x minus 180 equals 0. So here the product is how much? If you consider the product is PQ minus 180 x square, and the sum is P plus Q, that is minus 8x. Here the product is negative, so the factors are having different sign, and the middle term is having the negative sign, so the greater factor is having the negative sign. So you take, here the difference is minus 8 and the product is minus 180. You know that 180 is equals to 18 tens, and 18 minus 10 is 8. So you can write minus 180 x square. The factors are minus 18x plus 10x. Then you can write x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 equals 0. Then here you can remove x as a common. X into x minus 18 plus, and out of 10 and 180, what is there? 10 into x minus 18 equals 0. So here x minus 18, common factors are there. Write that x minus 18 into x plus 10 equals 0. And now equate each factors to 0. That is x minus 18 equals 0 or x plus 10 equals 0. So it is x equals 0 minus 18, that is minus 18 is transferred, means it becomes 0 plus 18, or x equals minus 10. Now let us consider x equals 18. So then you know that y square equals 18 into 8, that equals 144. So y is equals to what? Square root of 144, that equals 12. So you got the numbers x equals 18 and y equals 12. If you verify x square minus y square, x square is 18 square is 324 and 12 square is 144, then you will get 180. So you got the result here. Therefore you can say that the two numbers are 18 and 12. So find the two numbers. The two numbers are 18 and 12. This is a choice question. Now let us take the second question. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0 have equal roots. Here let us solve both the question, but in exam you solve any one of the question which is easy for you. Now let us take the second one. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0 have equal roots. First let us bring this to the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Multiply kx and x. What is that? Kx into x is kx square. Kx into x is kx square. Again multiply kx and minus 2. That is minus 2kx. And you write plus 6 equals 0. Then you write the value of a, b and c. A equals, what is a equals? Here a is the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is k. So you write a equals k. Then b. What is b? b is the coefficient of x. So then what is the coefficient of x? That is minus 2k. Minus 2k. Then you write c. c is the 6. And it is given that this equation is having equal roots. So if the quadratic equation is having equal roots, then the discriminant part b square minus 4ac must be equals to 0. Here, as the roots are equal. So right, as the roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equals 0. b square minus 4ac equals 0. Then you write b is minus 2k. Minus 2k whole square minus 4, and a is k. a is k and c is 6 equals 0. Then minus 2k whole square is 4k square, and 4 6 are 24, minus 24k equals 0. Then you can remove 4 common and also k common. 4k into what is remaining here, as 4k is outside, you will get k, because 4k into k is 4k square. Then minus, know that 4 6 are 24, 4k into 6 is 24k equals 0. Then you equate 4k equals 0 and k minus 6 equals 0. So write 4k equals 0 or k minus 6 equals 0. Then here you will get k equals 0 or k equals 6. Here what are the values of k? K may be equals to 0 or k may be equals to 6. Then 27. Construct a triangle ABC with BC equals 6 cm, AB equals 7 cm and AC equals 5 cm. Construct another triangle similar to triangle ABC whose sides are 5 by 4th of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Children, follow the video lessons of the construction of similar triangle and do the construction. Here roughly let us discuss about the construction. Here the measurements of the sides are given. BC equals 6 cm, AB equals 7 cm and AC equals 5 cm. Take any one of the side as a base and construct a triangle. And here the ratio is given, that is 5 by 4. So here out of 5 and 4, 5 is greater. So here first you construct a triangle with the given measurement, and here you take a acute angle, and here 5 is greater means make 5 equal parts taking convenient radius, and here the 4 is the number in the denominator. So here we have to join the 4th division to the vertex of the triangle. So we have to extend here. Now you know the methods of construction of parallel line. Draw the parallel line at this point. Here you know that if you take, this is the triangle ABC, this becomes B1, B2, B3, B4, and B4 is joined, and here we have to draw the parallel line to this. Then take the convenient radius and draw the curve, and with this as a center, same measurement, draw the curve and find the distance between these two, and with this as a center, the same measurement, cut, then you will get the same angle here. Then you can draw the parallel line. draw the parallel line to get the point on this line. So if you got the angle, you can get the parallel line. Again here draw the curve. So here you draw the curve with this as a center. Again you find the angle here with this center, you mark the point here. Then extend this. This is A dash C dash. In this way here you can follow the construction. Otherwise view the video to learn the method of construction of the triangle which is similar to the given triangle with the given ratio of the corresponding sides. Now let us go to the next question, 28th question. Show that the points 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4 are collinear. Here to show that these 3 points are collinear, we have to use the formula to find the area of the triangle. If these 3 points are collinear, the area of the triangle becomes 0. So you take these 3 points. This is A, 1, 2, B, 2, 3 and C, 3, 4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x3, y3. Now you write the formula for the area of the triangle. Area of triangle equals 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That equals 1 by 2 into x1 is 1 into y2 is 3 minus y3 is 4, 1 into 3 minus 4 plus x2 is 2 into y3 is 4 minus y1 is 2, is 2 plus x3 is 3, y1 is 2 minus y2 is 3 equals 1 by 2 into 1 into 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 2 into 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That equals 1 by 2 into minus 1 plus 4 minus 3. Here 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Then that equals half into, you know that becomes 4 minus 4. Here that becomes 4 minus 4. So it is equals to half into 0 equals 0. So as the area of triangle is 0, as the area of triangle is 0, the points 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 are collinear. The points 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 are collinear. or collinear. Then you take the next question. Question number 29. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 4 meter. He needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder that should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would enable him to reach the required position? Here is a electric fault on a pole of height 4 meter, and he needs to reach a point 1.3 below the top of the pole, undertake the repair work. Here the total height of the pole is 4 meter, and here he must reach the height 2.7, because here is he must reach the height up to B. So the distance from A to B is 1.3 meter. Here you must reach the point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole. And here what you have to find out? What should be the length of the ladder that should use when inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Here we have to find the length of the ladder. Angle of inclination of the ladder is given, and to find this, here use the theta. That is, if you consider this is the theta and you know that this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse, if you use the relation of sine ratio, so write in right angle triangle BDC, angle C equals 60 degree. Then you consider here BD is the opposite side and BC is the hypotenuse. So you can use the relation or the ratio having the opposite side and hypotenuse, that is the sine theta. So sine theta is equals to, you can have opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sine theta means sine C, you take angle C, that is opposite side is BD and hypotenuse is BC, and sine 60 degree, C is 60 degree, sine 60 degree is equals to BD is 2.7 by BC, and sine 60 degrees, what is the value of sine 60 degree? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, that equals 2.7 by BC. Then to get BC, BC equals what? 2.7 into 2 by root 3. 2.7 into 2 by root 3. Then BC equals, here you can have 3 into 0.9 into 2. This 2.7 can be expressed as a product of 3 into 0.9. Why you have to express? Because here root 3 is there. That divided by root 3. Again you can express 3 as a product of root 3 and root 3. So you write BC equals root 3 into root 3 into 0.9 into 2, that divided by 3. So 3 cancels. Then BC equals 0.9 into 2 is 1.8 root 3 meter. 1.8 root 3 meter. Then what is the length of the ladder? Length of the ladder is 1.8 root 3 meter. Then you take length of the ladder is 1.8 root 3 meter. Now the question number 38. Prove that whole root 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equals cos A k plus cot A. Or this is choice question. What is that or question? Or question is, if A equals 60 degree and B equals 30 degree, verify cos A minus B equals cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Now let us take the first one. It is very simple question. You take that. First you take the LHS. Solution you write. LHS equals whole root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Now here you write and multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos A. So you write 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A as it is. Into 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A, because here 1 minus cos A is there. So to have the rationalizing factor of this one, you can have 1 plus cos A. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos A. Now it becomes, the numerator becomes 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A is 1 square minus cos square A, and this is 1 plus cos A whole square and whole root for this, because this is under the whole root. Then separate the root, or you write it as it is, whole root 1 plus cos A whole square, then it is 1 minus cos square A, that equals whole root 1 plus cos A whole square. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. You know that, because sin square A plus cos square A equals 1. So 1 minus cos square A becomes sin square A, or sin square A equals 1 minus cos square A. Now here square is there, here also square is there. So cancel square and square root. Then what is remaining here? Square root of 1 plus cos whole square by sin square A is 1 plus cos A by sin A. 1 plus cos A by sin A. Now you separate 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A, that equals 1 by sin A is cosec A plus cos A by sin A is cot A. You got, that equals RHS. Therefore you write whole root 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equals cosec A plus cot A. Therefore you write, therefore whole root 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equals cosec A plus cot A. You got the proof. Then the second one, what is that question? If A equals 60 degree, B equals 30 degree, cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now you take the value of cos A minus B. So you consider cos A minus B. that equals cos A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree. So it becomes 60 degree minus 30 degree, that equals cos 60 minus 30 is 30 degree. Cos 30 is, what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now you would consider this RHS. Consider, so you take this is first one. Next you consider cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B, that equals cos A is cos A is 60 degree, cos B is cos 30 degree plus sin A sin 60 degree, sin B sin 30 degree. In the place of A, write 60 degree, and in the place of B, write 30 degree. Here also in the place of A, write 60 degree, and in the place of B, write 30 degree. Then that equals, what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is how much? That is 1 by 2, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 degree. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2, that equals. So here 2 2s are 4 and 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus this is also 2 2s are 4, root 3 into 1 is root 3. Then you take the LCM is 4, root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. 2 root 3, that equals what? 2 1s are 2 2s are, so you will get root 3 by 2. So you got, this is the second, and first one, that is cos A minus B, you got root 3 by 2, and in the second you got cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B, also you got root 3 by 2. So you can take that. Therefore, from first and second, you got what? Cos A minus B is equals to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So right, cos A minus B equals cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Now the question number 31. If the median of the distribution is 28.5, find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. So here class interval and its corresponding frequency are given, and in between them the frequency of the class interval 10 20 is x, and also the frequency of the class interval 40 50 is y, and sum of all the frequency is given, that is the total is given, that is 60. Now here what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of x and y. Value of x and y. Now let us write this class interval and frequency in the vertical column. So you write class interval and frequency. Then you write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5 and total is given total 60. Here 5 x 20 15 y 5 60. Now next we have to find out the cumulative frequency. So write cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, and first you write 5, that is the cumulative frequency of the class interval 0 to 10. Next 5 plus x, or this 5 plus x, then 5 plus x plus 20, 5 plus x plus 20, that becomes 25, 25 plus x, then 25 x plus 15, 25 plus 5 is 40, 40 plus x, then 40 plus x plus y is 40 plus x plus y, then 40 plus x plus y plus 5, you will get 45, 45 plus x plus y. Then you know that this total must be equals to this one. 45 plus x plus y is equals to what? Total. So you got here n equals 60, that implies 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. Therefore you can write x plus y is equals to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 is 15. So you got that x plus y is equals to 15. Now let us find the median class. So you know that here the median means we have to find 60 by 2. 60 by 2, that is 30. 30 means can have the median class 20 to 30. 20 to 30 because total is 60. 60 by 2. 60 by 2 means 30. 30 means you can have 25 plus x. Approximately it is 25 plus x. So you take this one. But here the median is given. Here you got the median class. Then what is the median? Median is 28.5. So you take median is 28.5 and median class is what is that median class? 2030. Now you find L. L is what? 20 and F. F is the frequency of the median class. This is F. And CF. CF is this one, 5 plus x. That is the CF of the previous class of the median class. Then height of the, that is the H, size of the class. You know that 30 minus 20, 10. So you write L. L equals 20. And F you write, F is also 20, frequency of that median class 20. And CF. CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 5 plus x. 5 plus x, and size of the class, width of the class is h, that is 10. Then you write the formula for the median. Then what is the formula for the median? Median equals, right, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, that equals median is 28.5 L is 20 plus n by 2. N is 60. So we write 60 by 2 minus f. Minus f is 5 plus x by f. F is, you got, this is 20. That into h. H is 10. That equals 28.5 equals 20 plus 60 by 2 is 30. Open the bracket. Minus 5 minus x by 20 into 10. Then 28.5 equals 20 plus. So 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x. 10 ones are 10 twos are, you will get 2. Then you take the LCM, that is 28.5 equals, the LCM is, or otherwise you exchange LHS and RHS, because you have here we have to solve the x. Then you write 25 minus x by 2 equals what? 28.5 minus 20. So here you shift this, transfer this. Then is 25 minus x equals 28.5 minus 20. That is 8.5 into 2. Then it is 25 minus x equals 8.5 into 2 is 17. So minus x equals 17 minus 25. So minus x equals minus 8. So you got x equals 8. Then you know x plus y equals 25. Here you got the value of x, and x plus y is equals to 15 is there. So you take x plus y is equals to 15. Then put the value of x. What is that? 8. 8 plus y is equals to 15. Then y is equals to 15 minus 8, that is equals to 7. So you got the values of x. X equals 8 and y is equals to 7. X equals 8 and y equals 7. You got the values of x and y. Now the question number 32. Find the mean for the following scores. Your class interval and frequency are given. Now let us write them in the vertical column. So you write class interval, frequency. So class intervals are 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. 40, 50. They are 1, 4, 3, 2. The frequencies are, the frequency for 10 to 20 is 1, 20 to 30 is 4, 30 to 40 is 3, and 40 to 50 is 2. So here you will get sum of all the frequencies, that is summation of Fi is equals to what? 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, you write 10. Then next column we have to find out the class mark. Class mark. And how will you get the class mark? That is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That you can take 10 plus 20 by 2, that you will get 30 by 2, 15. And 20 plus 30 by 2, 50 by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 by 2, 70 by 2 equals 35, and 40 plus 50 by 2, 90 by 2 equals 45. Or directly you can write, orally you can do, and you can write that 10 plus 20 by 2 is 30 by 2, 30 by 2 is 15, 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 by 2 is 25, and 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 by 2 is 35, and 40 plus 50 is 90, 90 by 2 is 45. Then this is Fi, this is class mark is Xi, then find the product of Fi and Xi, that is 15 into 1 or 1 into 15, 1 into 15, 15, and 4 into 25, 4 into 25, 25 fours are 100, and 35 into 3, 35 into 3 we can do 5 threes are 15 and 1, and 3 threes are 9 plus 1 is 10. So 35 into 3 is 105, and 45 twos are 90, 45 twos are 90. So then you get summation of Fi Xi, sum of all Fi Xi. Add here 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, and 310 you will get. Then you write the formula for mean. X bar equals summation of Fi Xi by summation of Fi, that is 310 by 10, 0, 0 cancels. What is mean? 31. So you write mean equals 31. Question number 33. The annual profits earned by 30 shops of a shopping complex in a locality give rise to the following distribution. And the distribution is as follows: more than or equals to 530, more than or equals to 10 20, more than or equals to 15 16, more than or equals to 20 14, more than or equals to 25 10, more than or equals to 37, more than or equals to 35 3. So here the question is, draw more than type ogive. The question is, you write draw more than type ogive. Here this is CF is there, that is the number of shops. More than 5 is 30, more than 10 is 28, more than 15 is 16, like this way. Here we have to draw the ogive. Now let us draw the coordinate axis with lower limits of the profit along the horizontal axis and the cumulative frequency along the vertical axis, that is on the x-axis and y-axis. So here you take the origin and it is lower limit of profit in lakhs. Lower limit of profit in lakhs. You know that for more than type ogive we have to take the lower limit. So you take, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and next you take the cumulative frequency on the vertical axis, that is on the y-axis. So you take cumulative frequency. That is on x-axis what you have taken the scale is, right, scale on x-axis. I have taken 1 centimeter equals 5 unit. 1 centimeter equals 5 unit we have taken. And for CF also 30 maximum. Then also you can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So here for both it is okay. The scale is 1 centimeter equals 5 unit. Now the first one is, here what is there? More than or equals to 5, 30. So if 5 is there, you go straight to the 30. 30 comes here. Then next, more than 10, 28. So 10 is here. 28. 28 means you can take here 22, 24, 26, 28, 20. 28 comes here. Then 16, more than 15, 16. 16 means here 15 is there and here 16. Take 16. Then here you got 28, 21, 22, 25, 6, 27, 28 comes here and it is 16. Then 20, more than 20, 14. 14 means that is less than 15, so it comes here. And more than 25, 10. More than 25, 10. 10 comes here. Then more than 37. More than 37. 30 is here. 7 means 6, 7 comes here. And more than 35, 3. More than 35, 3 means 1, 2, 3 comes here. Now you join all these. You will get a ogive. Now you got a more than type ogive. So it is more than type ogive. It is more than type ogive. Here the lower limit of the class is taken along the x-axis and the cumulative frequency is taken on the y-axis, and here the scale is 1 centimeter equals 5 unit. So here the 3 marks questions completed. Now let us come to the 4 marks question. Question number 34. What is that question? Show that the sum of first and last terms of the AP 3, 6, 9 so on to 45 is equal to twice the middle term. Twice the middle term. Here we have to show that the sum of the first and the last term of this AP is equals to twice the middle term of this AP. So let us find the solution here. You take solution. What is the AP? AP is 3, 6, 9, so on 45. And here, now let us find the sum of the first and last term. That is A plus L. Here what is A? This is A. This is L. And that is equals to what? 3 plus 45 is equals to 48. So you consider that is the first. Next here we have to find the middle term. To find the middle term we have to get the number of terms. Here you know that this is last term means that is the nth term. Here there are n terms. So let us take A equals 3 and D equals A2 minus A1, that is 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And an equals 45 and n equals question mark. N equals question mark. Now you write the formula for an. An equals what? A plus n minus 1 into d, that equals 45 you write. Then a is 3. 3 plus you write, plus n we have to find out, write n only, n minus 1 into d, d is 3. 3 equals 45. Then you transfer this to the RHS, that becomes n minus 3 into n minus 1 into 3 you can multiply, that is 3n minus 3, that is plus 3. That also you can do, or otherwise you transfer this 3 to the RHS, you will get 45 minus 3, or here this 3 and 3 minus 3 cancels. If you multiply n minus 1 by 3, you will get 3n minus 3. Then this 3 and this minus 3 cancels. So what is remaining here? 3n equals 45. You got 3n equals 45. Then n equals what? 45 by 3. So you got 3 ones are 3 15s are. Then n equals 15. N equals 15. So as there are n terms, as there are 15 terms, so which term becomes the middle term? Here you know the middle term is, as n is odd, middle term. Middle term, here we have to show that this 48 is equals to twice of the middle term. Now let us find the middle term. Middle term is, here as there is n equals 15 and it is odd, so you can write n plus 1 by 2th term. Middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 15 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 16 by 2, means 8th term. 8th term becomes the middle term. Therefore middle term is A8. Now let us find A8. Right? You know that A8 is equals to what? A plus 70. A plus 70. A is 3 and D is also 3. So write 3 plus 7 into 3. So A8 equals 3 plus 21 equals 24. You got A8 equals 24. Here A plus L is 48. That equals 2 into 24. Therefore you can write A plus L is equals to 2 into A8. So sum of first and last term. First and last term equals twice of the middle term. Twice of the middle term you got. So you got the answer for this question. But here you observe that this is a choice question. Question number 34 is a choice question. Here there is a OR question. Read that question. The houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. Show that there is a value of x such that the sum of number of the houses preceding the house number of x is equals to the sum of the number of the houses following it. Find the value of x. So it is given that the numbers are from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, so on to 49. So here this is the first house, second house, like this way. And let us consider there is a house x. that is AX. That is AX. The house number is X, and that is the term AX. And the sum of this, sum of the numbers, the sum of the number of the houses preceding the houses number X means, consider here is a house number X minus 1. That is AX minus 1. That is the AX minus 1. And sum of this is SX minus 1 is equals to what? Sum of the numbers of the houses following it means, here up to this numbers, the sum of the numbers you can take here, this is X plus 1. This is X plus 1, that is AX plus 1. So here what you have to find out, this SX minus 1 equals the sum of the number of the houses following it means, here we have to find this sum. So to get this sum you must find S49 minus SX. Up to this you have to remove to get this sum. So this sum is equals to what? S49 minus SX. Here once again let us discuss. Totally there are 49 houses and they are numbered from 1 to 3, and here X is a certain number such that the sum of number of the houses preceding that number, preceding that X means the sum of the numbers from 1 to X minus 1 is equals to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it, that is after X, this one. So this sum is equals to what? This sum. So this sum means what you have to write? This sum is equals to this one, that is whole sum this whole sum minus up to this sum, that is S49 minus SX. So you must write that SX minus 1 equals S49 minus SX. Now here what is A? To find all this, A is required and D is required. So write A is equals to first term, this is A1 A, and D is also 2 minus 1, that is 1. And here let us find SX minus 1. So if you take N equals X minus 1, then SX minus 1, let us find out. So write the formula for S. S equals what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the sum of the first 10 terms of AP. So SX minus 1 you write in the place of N, that is X minus 1. That equals what? X minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus N is X minus 1 minus 1, D is also 1. So you got SX minus 1 equals X minus 1 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus X minus 2 into 1 is, you will get the same. Then Sx minus 1 equals X minus 1 by 2, 2 cancels here, 2 and minus 2 cancels. So what you got? X minus 1 by 2 into X. So it is X into X minus 1 by 2 you got. Consider this is first one. Then next let us find out S49. S49 means Again here you can have n equals 49. Write the same formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is S49. N is 49 by 2, 2 into 1 plus n is 49 minus 1, d is also 1. So you got S49 equals 49 by 2, 2 plus 48. So you got S49 equals 49 by 2 into 50. So you got 2 ones are 2 25s are. That is S49 equals 49 into 25. So find 49 into 25. That is 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. And 49 2s are 98. So you got how much? 1225. That is S49 equals, you got 1225. Now you consider this, it is second. So here you got Sx minus 1, S49. Now we have to find out Sx. Find Sx by using same formula. Write the same formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then Sx equals x by 2 into 2 into a is 1 plus n is x minus 1, d is also 1. Here you must use the same a, d, and but here in the place of n we have to write x. Here a is 1 you have taken and d is 1, and in the place of n what you have to take x. So you got Sx equals x by 2 into 2 into 1 plus x minus 1 into 1. That is, in this formula we substituted the value of 1. That is, a equals 1, d equals 1, and n equals x. Then you write Sx equals x by 2 into 2 plus x minus 1. That you will get Sx equals x by 2, 2 minus 1, that is x plus 1 you will get. So you got that Sx equals x into x plus 1 by 2. Now let us write the relation. What is that? Sx minus 1 equals S49 minus Sx. So Sx minus 1 you got Sx minus 1 you got x into x minus 1 by 2. X into x minus 1 by 2, and S49 is 1225 minus Sx is x into x plus 1 by 2. Here we have to find the value of x. Now let us solve for x. So write x into x is x square minus 1 by 2 equals, you can transfer this to the LHS, or otherwise you write 1225 minus this is x square, open the bracket, or also you write x square plus 1 by 2. Now you shift this to the LHS, then it becomes x square minus 1 by 2 minus, it becomes plus x square plus 1 by 2. That equals 1225. Then it take the LCM 2, then it becomes x square minus 1 plus x square plus 1 equals 1225. Then minus 1 plus 1 becomes cancelled. So you got 2x square by 2 equals 1225. So you got 2 cancelled, and x square equals 1225. Then x equals, take the square root of 1225. 1225. Use the division method, make the grouping. The nearer perfect square is 3. 3 3s are 9, and 3 is remaining, 325. Add 3 here. 3 plus 3, 6. You know that 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. So keep 5 here and multiply this 5, and you will get 325. So you got that x equals square root of 1225, that equals 35. Then what is the value of x? X equals 35 you got. Here you got the value of x 35. That is the solution of this question. In the relation sx minus 1 equals s49 minus sx, you got this value by the first one, from first, and this value from second, and this value from third. Here you consider this is third, and you write the reason here from first, second, third. In the here the situation is told that sx minus 1 equals s49 minus sx, and you got the value of sx minus 1, s49 and sx one by one, and here you have taken this is first, this is second, this is third. So in this relation here all these three values are substituted, and you solved for x and got the value of x. Now let us take the question number 35. This is also choice question. 2 questions are there. Write answer for any one of the question. Now let us read the first question. A hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3/4/7 liters per second. How much time will it take to empty half the tank if the diameter of the base of the tank is 3 meter? If the diameter of the base of the tank is 3 meter. So you take the solution, and the tank is in the shape of hemispherical shape. Now let us find the volume of the water in the tank, as the tank is full of water. So use the formula to find the volume of the hemisphere. So what is given here? Diameter of the base of the tank is given. So use that to get the radius. You know that r is equals to 3/2 meter, and volume of hemispherical tank you have to find out. So you write volume. What is the formula to find the volume of hemispherical? That is 2/3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. That equals 2/3 into pi value we have to take 22/7. You write 22/7 into r. R is 3/2. So you write 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2. Then it becomes 3 cancels, 2 cancels, and 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then 11 into 3, 33. 33 into 3, 99. 99. 7 into 2, 14. 14 m cube is the volume. Now here it is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3/4/7 liters per second. Here to empty 3/4/7 liters of water, 1 second is required. So here we have to find out how much time is required to empty this much of volume of water. So take 3/4/7 volume, that is 3/4/7 liters equals 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 4, 25/7 liters. So as it is in m cube, here you know that you can consider this is all, convert this also into liters, that is equals to what? 99/14 into 1000 liters, that equals 99000/14 liters of water is there in the tank. So the rate of emptying is 25/7 liters per second. So to empty 25/7 liters, time taken is how much? It is per second is there, 1 second. 1 second. Therefore, time taken for 99, that is 99,000/14 liters equals, how much you have to take? Equals, you write 99,000/14, that divided by 25/7. Then next you write equals 99,000/14 into reciprocal of 25/7 is 7/25, you have to take. Then 7 ones are 7 twos are. Then you write again 5 fives are, 5 ones are 5, 4 is remaining, 49, 5 nines are 45, 4 is remaining, 40, 5 eights are 40, 2 0 you take. Next again you divide by 5, 5 ones are, 5 threes are 15, 4 is remaining, 48, 5 nines are 45, 3 is remaining, 30, 5 6 are 30, 1 0. Next you take 2 ones are, 2 ones are 2, 1 9, 2 nines are 18, 1 6, 2 eights are 16, 0. So you got 1980 seconds. So to convert this into minutes, that becomes divided by 60, you can do 1980/60 minutes, that is 0 cancels, 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 6 threes are 18, 33 minutes you can write, 33 minutes. So what is the time taken to empty the tank? How much time will take to empty? Half the tank is there. So half means it is 33 minutes to be taken to complete whole tank. So to empty half tank, that equals half into 33 equals, you can take 16.5 minutes. 16.5 minutes. And Here also you can divide it by 2, then only, or at the end you can divide. Now question number 36. Solve x plus y equals 5, x minus y equals 3 graphically. So here take the equation x plus y is equals to 5, x minus y equals 3. Convert this equation into x equals form or y equals form. Normally we will convert equation to the form of y if the coefficient of y is 1. Here both the coefficients are having the same coefficient but with the opposite sign. So you can convert this into x equals 5 minus y, and here x equals 3 plus y. And if you convert this into x equals, you must take the convenient value for y and the corresponding value for x we have to take. Or if you convert this into y equals, here it becomes y equals 5 minus x. Here minus y is there. So here you can do first x equals 3 plus y. Then y is equals to x minus 3 you can write. Y is equals to x minus 3. Because it becomes x equals 3 plus y, or 3 plus y equals x. Y is equals to x minus 3. So you got one equation y is equals to 5 minus x, and the other equation y is equals to x minus 3. Here both the equations are converted into y equals. Here in this case you will get x equals convenient value for x and the corresponding value for y. So that is left to you. So now here let us convert each of them into y equals. So you take first x plus y equals 5. Take the equation x plus y equals 5. Y equals 5 minus x. Now you take when x equals 0, y equals 5 minus 0 equals 5. When x equals 1, y equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. And when x equals 2, y equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. So let us have the values of x and y. They are 0, 1, 2, and the corresponding value of y are 5, 4, 3. You got the column for the first equation. Now you take x minus y is equals to 3. X minus y equals 3. It is already discussed that as this y is having negative sign, first you transfer that to the RHS, then it becomes x equals 3 plus y. So you got that 3 plus y is equals to x. Then y is equals to x minus 3 you got. Now you take when x equals 0, y is equals to 0 minus 3 minus 3. When x equals 1, y is equals to 1 minus 3 minus 2. When x equals 2, y equals 2 minus 3 minus 1. You got x and y value. X and values are 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and y values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Now let us come to the graph. You got the two equation and their coordinates. Now you draw the x-axis and y-axis. So this is x, x dash, and y, y dash. And it is a origin. These are the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. And next you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here you take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. Here we have taken the scale. 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So first one you take 0, 5. 0 is here, go straight to mark 5. Then next 1, 4. 1 is here, go straight to mark 4. Next 2, 3. 2 is here, go straight to mark 3. Now let us join all these 3 points to get a straight line. So it is a straight line, and it is a graph of what? It is straight line of the graph x plus y is equals to 5. This is x plus y is equals to 5, and you write the coordinates, that is 0, 5, and it is 1, 4 and 2, 3. Next you come to the coordinates 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3 comes here, and 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2. 0, minus 3, and 1, minus 2 is here. And next one 2, minus 1. Next one is 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1 comes here. Now you join all this. This is 0, minus 3. This is 1, minus 2. This is what? 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1. Now let us join all these 3 points. Join all these 3 points. This is a straight line of which graph? Here you know that the first one is this, is second one is x minus y is equals to 3. Right, x minus y equals 3. Both the graph meet at this point, and find the coordinates of this point. What are the coordinates of this point? X value is 4 and y value is 1. So you can write 4, 1. 4, 1. So you got the solution, right? Solution. What is the x value? X value is 4. X equals 4 and y is 1. Y value is 1. You can verify. Here the first equation is got x equals 4, y equals 1, 4 plus 1 equals 5 will get, and x equals 4, y equals 1, or minus 1 equals 3. So you got the values of the x and y which satisfies pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Now the question number 37. A metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high and whose vertical angle is 60 degrees cut into 2 parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base. If the frustum so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 centimeter, find the length of the wire. Here the height of the cone is given, that is 20 centimeter, and the vertical angle is given, that is 30 degree, and this cone is cut into two parts at the middle of its height, means at 10 centimeter height it is cut, and the frustum so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 cm. Find the length of the wire. Here only height is given. To find the surface area of the frustum of cone, radius of both bases are required and also slant height is required. How will you get the radius here? Here you can get these two radii by using this vertical angle. So if you take this right angle triangle, these angles are 30 degree, 30 degree. So use any ratio and get the radii R1 and R2. So you will get R1 and R2, and you know the height here, this is 10 centimeter and this total height is 20 centimeter. By using the triangle ADB, we will get the radii R2, and by using the triangle ACE, we will get the radii R1. Now you take here what is given, height, solution you take, solution H equals AD equals 20 centimeter, and it is A, B, C, D, E, F. So let us take, this is G. So you take AG. AG is equals to 10 centimeter. AG is equals to 10 centimeter. Now you take the smaller triangle. In triangle AGE, in right angle triangle AGE, so let us take angle AEG. Angle AEG equals 60 by 2, that equals 30 degree. Know that this is the base that is bisected by the AD, so these two are equal, so these two must be, here you will get the vertex angle is divided by the altitude AD, as AD is the altitude and it bisects the base BC, and you know that these two are equal and this angle is bisected, so you take 60 by 2, that is 30 degree. And to get EG R1, so write the ratio. Here EG becomes the opposite side for that angle and AG becomes the adjacent side. So O by A you can use, that is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side means that is tan theta. So you take tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side. So it is tan 30 degree, that you can use here. Opposite side is EG, EG by AG, EG by AG. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. EG we have taken R1 and AG is 10. Therefore, you can take R1 is equals to what? You shift these two, by cross multiplication you will get 10 by root 3. You got R1 is equals to 10 by root 3. Consider this first one. Next you take this angle. Triangle ABD you take. In the right angle triangle ABD. In the right angle triangle ABD, in the right angle triangle ABD, you take the bigger triangle and again you take the same ratio. Sin theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, that is BD by AD. So you write, again you take tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is tan 30 degree. Opposite side we have taken R2 by AD is 20. So R2 by 20, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals R2 by 20. Therefore you can write R2 equals 20 by root 3. Consider this is secant. Now you got R1 and R2, and this frustum is drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 centimeter. You know that wire is in the shape of cylinder. So that is the cylindrical shape wire, and volume of the frustum of cone must be equals to the volume of the cylindrical wire. So first you write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of cone. So you write, for frustum of cone R1 equals 10 by root 3, R2 equals 20 by root 3, and H is given, that is 20 centimeter, and this H is, the H of the frustum of cone is 20 minus 10, that is 10 centimeter. The total height of the cone is 20 centimeter, and in the middle it is cut into two pieces. So height of the frustum of cone is 10 centimeter. Then you write the formula for the volume of cone, that is V, volume of frustum of cone, right? Volume of frustum of cone equals 1 by 3 pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into H, or 1 by 5H into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2, that equals 1 by 3, pi you write pi only, R1 square is 10 by root 3 whole square plus R2 is 20 by root 3 whole square plus 10 by root 3 into 20 by root 3 into H, that equals 1 by 3 pi into 100 by 3. 10 by root 3 whole square is 100 by 3 plus 20 by root 3 whole square is 400 by 3 plus 10 into 20 is 200 by 3 into H you write. H you must write here only. H is how much? 10. 10 you write. Then 1 by 3 pi into, the LCM is 3, and add all these 3. It becomes 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 700 into 10. So you will get 1 by 3, that becomes 1 by 9. Write the product, 9. 700 into 10 is 7005 you got. Consider this is the third one. That is third one you got. Now for wire which is in the cylindrical shape, you write for cylindrical wire, that is radius is given, diameter is given, radius is half of the diameter, that is half of 1 by 16. Half of 1 by 16, that equals 1 by 32. And what we have to find out? We have to find out length of the wire, that is nothing but height of the cylinder. And volume is this much, that is V is equals to 7000 pi by 9 and H equals question mark. Write the formula for the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, that is what? Pi r square H, that equals this one. So you write 7000 pi by 9. Then pi cancels. R 1 by 32 into 1 by 32 into H equals 7000 by 9. Then H equals 7000 into 32 into 32 by 9. So H equals, then that equals H equals 7000 into 32 into 32, you know that is 1024. 32 into 32, 32 2s are 64, 32 3s are 96. Then you will get 4 2 1024 by 9. Then H equals 1024 into 7, 8, 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16 and 7. That becomes 7168000 by 9. Now 7168000 divided by 9. Then you will get 9 7s are 63. That equals 8 6. 9 9s are 81. 5 is remaining. 5 8. 9 5s are 9 6. 9 6 are 54. 4 is remaining. And 9 3s are 9 4s are 36. 4 9 4s are 36. 4 9 4s are 36. So here 4 is recurring. 4 4 you will get. So H equals 79644 4.4. So you can convert this into meter dividing by 100, that is 79644.4 by 100, because 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. Then it becomes H equals, that becomes 7964. Again this 2 digits 4 and 4 moves after the decimal point, that equals 4 4 4 you can take 4 meter. Our H equals 7964.4 meter. That is the length of the wire equals length of the wire is 7964.4 meter. Now the last question, that is sixth main question, 5 marks question. Question number 38. State and prove basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem is nothing but a Thales theorem. Now let us write the statement and also let us prove the basic proportionality theorem, which is also called Thales theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, and in your textbook it is theorem 2.1. So what is the statement of the Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides divided in the same ratio. Here there is a figure. Here ABC is a triangle and the line DE is drawn parallel to BC, and that line DE intersect AB at D and AC at E. And here what you have to prove? The other two sides divided in the same ratio. Other two sides means B is drawn parallel to BC means the other two sides are AB and AC here. So what you have to show here? AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Given that DE is parallel to BC, and we have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Now let us prove the theorem step by step. Here given that triangle ABC is given. Here we are given a triangle ABC. Here given a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC and DE intersect the other two sides intersects other two sides. The two sides are here AB and AC. Here this DE intersect other two sides AB and AC. AB and AC at D and E respectively. This is the given. Here ABC is a triangle, DE is parallel to BC and the line DE intersect AB at D and AC at E. This is given. Next what we have to prove? Here we have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. We have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Here the D is parallel to BC and we have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. For this there is a necessity of construction. The construction is here. Now let us join BE and CD and also let us draw the perpendicular to AE and AD, that is here DM is perpendicular to AC and EN is perpendicular to AB. Now here we have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC by using this construction. To prove this, we have to take the help of the formula for area of triangle. You know the formula to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle equals half into base into height. Here you consider the triangle ADE and triangle BDE and also triangle DEC. Triangle ADE, triangle BDE, triangle EDC. And if you take the triangle ADE, here you consider the triangle ADE, and here To find the area of the triangle ADE, here there are two heights. One height is EN and other height is DM. If you want to take the height EN, then you have to take the base as AD. If you want to consider the height DM, then you have to take the base AE. So area of the triangle ADE is equals to half into AD into EN or half into AE into DM. Both the formula is here, you can consider here. Therefore, let us write the formula for the area of the triangle ADE by taking both the bases. So, you know, area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE is equals to half into base into height. That is equals to, you can take half into AD into EN. You should consider the base AD and height EN. So it is half into AD into EN. And this is also, you know, that area of triangle ADE is also nothing but half into the other base is here. If you take AE base and DM height, you can write AE into DM, half into AE into DM. Area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle BDE is here, to take the BD as a base, that is half into BD into the height is here, this is the height, that is EN. BD into EN it becomes. Next, take the area of the triangle EBC. Next you take the area of the triangle DEC. And here, for this triangle, DM becomes the height. Here if you consider EC is a base and DM becomes height. So you take area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle DEC, that is half into base is here EC, height is DM. EC into DM. So you got here areas of two triangles. Area of the triangle ADE in terms of two bases and two heights. That is half into AD into EN or half into AE into DM. And area of the triangle BDE, that is half into BD into EN. Area of the triangle DEC, that is half into EC into DM. You got four areas here. Now, here you take the area of the triangle ADE and BDE. Here ADE and BDE, because here you know that this one, both are having the common height, that is EN. So you take area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. That is equals to, you take half into AD into EN. And area of the triangle BD is half into BD into EN. Here, EN is the height for both the ADE and BDE triangles. Now you know that EN cancels here. Half also cancels. You will get AD by BD. This is AD by BD. So you consider this is the first relation. AD by BD. Next you take the ratio by taking the same triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE by area of the triangle, other triangle DEC. Area of triangle DEC. Again, you know, it is half into ADE, you take the other height, That is for DEC, DM is the height, and you take the DM height for this ADA triangle. That is half into AE into DM by half into, you take EC into the same height DM. And here also DM cancels, half of cancels. What is remaining here? AE by EC. Consider this is the second. And here you know that you must observe both the ratio area of triangle ADE by area of the triangle BDE, and next ratio area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC. Here area of triangle ADE, it is the area of the same triangle. But you consider, see the denominator, here it is area of triangle BDE and area of triangle DEC. If you observe that two triangles, ADE and here BDE and DEC, BDE and DEC, you know that here these two triangles, BDE and DEC are on the same base DE, and between the same parallels DE and BC. Triangle BDE and triangle BCE or DEC are on the same base and between the same parallels. Here, triangle BDE and triangle DEC are triangle DEC are on the same base, which base is here? See, these two triangles, triangle BDE and triangle DEC, they are on the same base D. You can write same base D, and between the same parallels BC and D. BC and D. Therefore, you know that area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle DEC. Therefore, from first and second, keeping in view the area of the triangles on the same base and between the same parallels, you can say that the ratio 1 equals to the ratio 2. That is, therefore, from first and second, and also here there is, you consider this is the third. So, from first, second and third, from first, second and third, what you can conclude, the ratios AD by BD and AE by EC are equal. AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. So you got the ratios are equal, means the ratios AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So here D parallel to BC, we have proved that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Here you got the proof for the Base theorem, that is for the basic proportion.